First, go to the SmartSchool web portal. Enter your registered email address and password in the provided fields. Click the Login button to access the dashboard. Once logged in, you'll be on the dashboard. On the left-hand side, find and click on the Attendance menu item. Under the Attendance menu, select Add Attendance. On the Add Attendance page, you will see a Create Attendance section. From the Select Class drop-down menu, choose the specific class for which you want to mark attendance. Click the Date field to open the calendar and select the current date or any past date. After selecting the class and date, a list of students with their admission and roll numbers will appear. Next to each student's name, there will be two options, present and absent. Mark each student as either present or absent by clicking the appropriate radio button. After marking all the students, click the Submit button to save the attendance. A Data Saved Successfully notification will appear at the top right of the screen. To view attendance for a specific day, select the View Attendance option from the Attendance menu. Choose the class and the date from the respective drop-down menus. You can also filter the results by selecting Present or Absent from the third drop-down to see a list of only present or absent students. The student list will be updated based on your selected criteria. To view a monthly attendance report, click on View Attendance and select the Monthly tab. Choose the class section and month from the drop-down menus. A table will then populate with the names of all the students and their attendance status for each day of the selected month. A check mark indicates present, and a cross indicates absent. A dash indicates that attendance was not marked for that day.